Hello, so we're here at MWC23. I'm joined by Phillipe Rouge, Allot's AVP pre-sale for EMEA. Phillipe, thank you so much for joining me and having this talk with me. So, Phillipe, you have been with the company for a long time now. You've seen many MWCs. Tell me, what is so special about this year's MWC?
Yes, thanks Dahlit. So indeed, I've seen many shows like this, and I would say that this year we have a few interesting themes that are recurrently seen across the different stands. So of course everybody is talking about 5G and what it means for all of us. We also see something maybe quite new, which is this responsibility and the green planet, so reducing the power consumption, trying to be extremely efficient in everything we do. And of course, the security. We see more and more demand at all levels for enterprise, for consumer, about protecting the connectivity in our digital lives.
Okay, interesting. Of course, carbon footprint reduction and 5G, as well as cybersecurity, is all one big theme. Now, mentioning cybersecurity, it's interesting. What exactly are the challenges that you hear repeatedly from our CSP customers, especially?
Okay, so while traditionally the enterprises used to be protected and have already multi-layers of security, I think what is very different this year is that we see more and more the awareness that security can also affect every one of us, the consumers, the normal people, the regular people, and therefore the service providers are approaching us more and more all over the planet. It's not just limited to the developing countries, but we see also a lot of emerging countries that says, look, my consumer wants security, I have to offer a security. I know how to do that in the enterprise space, but I don't know how to do that for the consumer. Can you, Allot, help us with this solution? And we can, of course.
Okay, wonderful. So if you would have to say what you found is the most interesting topic, the hottest topic right now, what would that be?
In terms of security?
In terms of generally here at MWC, and of course relevant to Allot for our customers.
Well, as I said, the security is the main topic right now for the services that we can afford or that we can propose to the customers. And what is interesting is the way that we do it in Allot, because we would typically start from protecting the consumer from the network, which is something unique that we do. And why it's unique? Because we have the possibility from the network to offer the security very rapidly to everyone, unlike other solutions that require touching the device of the consumers. Of course, our solution is very rich. We can also put security on the routers, we can also put an agent on the mobile device, but starting from the network, which is really our unique point, we can scale very rapidly, target more people, and therefore have higher penetration rates. And that's really what makes the difference for us.
Okay, so interesting. So there's also one term that keeps floating around, zero touch. What exactly is that about?
Zero touch means that I'm a consumer, I'm a family, I'm a father myself. I want security, and of course I don't understand anything about this. So I would typically go to the shop of my service provider and say, oh, you have a security offering, I'd like to subscribe and take it. At the moment I go out of the shop, probably the provisioning on the network has already been done, which means that out of the suite I'm already protected. I haven't downloaded anything, I haven't installed anything, I don't have to do anything. The service provider will just put the service, and I will be peace of mind navigating to the internet without having the risk of being infected.
So basically absolutely hassle-free security everywhere on any device for the end user. Amazing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So it works on every device, it works for everybody. You can change your phone, you don't have to worry about compatibility. It's really protecting for everyone very rapidly.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you so much, Phillipe.
Thank you.